All right, so let's continue our endeavor of finding electric field at point P. Now, we picked up a small ring out of the disk. Now, let the radius of the disk, this ring, sorry, the inner part be x, and obviously the radius of the external will be x plus dx, because I have assumed the ring to be, of width dx. Calculate the area of the external circle and then the internal circle and subtract the two, and you will get the answer as 2x pi dx. You can do the calculation if there is small error in this. Now you know the area of this small ring and the charge density. You have an availability of total charge. Divide the total charge of 6.50 nanocoulomb with the area of the disk. That gives you area, charge density, and it's uniform, which is to put to use to our advantage. Now we have a sense of what is the amount of charge dq on this small ring. Now let's look into the two figures very carefully, and discuss this problem, the next steps to be taken in my next video. Thank you very much.